Hi guys, so I want to quickly rush to the supermarket to buy just one thing, and that is Greek yogurts. So the weather is so hot, and I really need to buy this Greek yogurts. I really need to buy this. There's this particular Greek yogurts that I've been wanting to buy, and I really want to try that Greek yogurt because the one I used to, the only Greek yogurt, okay, not the only, but one of the Greek yogurts that I used to purchase, one of my favorites, I recently purchased it, and after taking it, it purged me. I purged. And I don't know why. And that Greek yogurt is very good, and it's expensive too, so I don't know why I purged. So I'm going to get this particular brand. I will show you guys when I get it. I will try it, and let me see if it is something that I would like. And this one I'm going to get, it's a Nigerian brand. The Nigerian made brand, while that other one is imported. So maybe they're now importing fake. Maybe some people are now importing it fake. I don't know, but that one used to be very good, but now when I took it last, I purged. So let's go, guys. Hi guys, I am back. You guys, being a mom is not easy. Like, tell me why I went to buy just yogurts. Like, when I was going, I said it, I'm going to buy just Greek yogurt, and I ended up buying all this. Tell me why. Because, like, as a mom, you are constantly thinking of what to give your family, what to eat. Because as soon as I entered the supermarket, I saw potatoes. I remember that, oh, my kids, they need to take potato to school on Friday. I saw okra, and I remember that, oh, they have to eat okra soup tomorrow afternoon, and all that. And like, there's no way. I don't know. Is it only me? But there's no way I will enter supermarkets, just to pick few things, and I will end up Because in my head, I remember this, I remember that, I remember this, I remember that. Yeah, so it's not easy. It's not easy, honestly. So I ended up buying like three more items that we really, really need. Although I know that if I did not buy these things now, it's I might go out tomorrow or the next to go and buy them. Yeah, so but it's like it's just crazy. Like being a mom is not easy. You're always thinking, thinking, thinking. What will I give my family? What will I give my family? Yeah, and also I got a package. I received a package as I was going out. The rider called me. So it's a skincare products that I've run out of. So I repurchased them. Yeah, so guys, I am back home and I'm going to, chill a bit and start making dinner. We are having jollof rice and salad today. Yeah, so Hi guys, so I just made a parfait and I used the yogurt I was telling you guys previously in this video. Yeah, so and that is Ovis yogurt, and the yogurt is good. It's good, like the consistency. Did you see the consistency? the the yogurt is very creamy and it tastes good too. So the yogurt is good. Yeah, and what really drew me to this brand was their neatness. Like their neatness is top notch. Their neatness is top notch. So that was what made me to say like I will try this yogurt. And their Nigerian brand, like Nigerians are really improving. We are trying. Like you guys patronize made in Nigerian brand. Honestly, they are trying. We are really trying. Look at that. That's good. Yeah, so guys, I'll be ending this video here. If you watch this video up to this moment, you are a darling. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Uzo, aka Uzo Pale, and this channel I do videos around food, DIYs, lifestyle. I'm just basically living and sharing. So I hope you stay and I hope you come back for more videos. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.